CA versus ACCA, a difficult question. But today we are going to be discussing the salary part for both these profiles, which will help you to decide better. I'm Megha Vansali, ACCA and the Indian Chartered Accountant. If you are looking at doing professional qualification post 12th standard or in commerce graduation, then two most trending popular courses are Indian CA and ACCA. Both of them have similar job openings. You can get into the field of accounting, taxation and auditing in both these courses. So now how do you decide which one to choose? So there are multiple factors which can help you decide, like are you looking at a global qualification, are you looking at practicing in India, what is the difficulty level of both the courses, what is the cost involved. So all of these factors we have already covered. We have made multiple videos covering CA, covering ACCA, so you can go and watch those. Today we are purely going to be discussing from the salary perspective. What is the return on investment of both these courses is what we are going to be focusing in this video. Now to start with CA. CA typically will cost you about 1 lakh in India to complete your entire course. However, the duration of the course is minimum 4 years, provided you clear all the 3 levels in the very first attempt. On an average, a student takes 6 years to complete the Indian Chartered Accountancy course. So I'm going to be doing all the calculation based on that. So 1 lakh is what you're spending in 6 years, and the salary that you can expect after your CA qualification would be close to 8 lakh rupees per annum. So let's say you started your Chartered Accountancy course right after your 12th standard when you're 18 years of age. You can expect to complete CA when you're 24. So at the age of 24, you will get a package of 8 lakh rupees per annum. So that's with your Indian Chartered Accountancy. This is all cost as on today in the Indian scenario. I have taken the average cost. You can get a package way above this and below this also. Then moving on to ACCA. The cost of pursuing ACCA, if you're doing it along with your graduation, is approximately 1.8 lakhs, and the duration of doing ACCA is about 3 years. You can complete your entire ACCA, entire 13 papers along with your graduation. So if you start after 12th when you're 18 years of age, by 21 you can become an ACCA. And the package that you can expect as a fresher, with no prior work experience, would be close to 5 lakh rupees per annum in India. Now let's do a comparison between the two. So at the age of 24, you're earning 8 lakh rupees in a CA course. In an ACCA course, at the age of 21, you're earning 5 lakh rupees per annum. So there is a difference of 3 lakh rupees, but guys, realize the difference is also 3 years of age. So if you are starting at a 5 lakh package, in 3 years definitely you can reach up to the 8 lakh package, which is paid to an Indian CA itself. So if I have to do a salary to salary comparison, yes, a ACCA fresher is starting low but is also starting early. So guys, please take all these factors into consideration when you are deciding which course you should be opting based on the package. So as per the package comparison, doing CA or doing ACCA, both of them are equivalent. However, the other factors which are favorable for Indian CA is that you get high reputation in India and you get signing authority in India. And the same for ACCAs, it is flexible, student friendly, high pass percentage, plus you can get global jobs. So if you are someone looking to work outside India, I highly recommend pursuing ACCA because the package is going to be way more than a 5 lakh rupees per annum. I hope this solves the confusion between CA and ACCA from a salary perspective, from a job profile perspective. Profiles are same, salary range is almost same if you're starting post 12th standard. And guys, please drop in a comment below on how you found this video, or if you have any sort of queries. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with more of your friends. I'll be back with more such content. Till then,